Welcome to the Postman Day. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan has been tested COVID positive just after taking the vaccination. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan tested positive for the novel coronavirus and is self-isolating at home, his top aide on health Dr. Faisal Sultan said. Khan, 67, tested positive 2 days after he received the first shot of the COVID-19 vaccine. Khan's spokesman Dr. Shehbaz Gill said that the Prime Minister has just a slight fever and cough. Supporters and ministers of Khan started sending messages of goodwill soon after the news of his diagnosis was shared, with #Imran Khan becoming the top trend on Twitter. Minister for Science Fawad Chaudhry said that the people of Pakistan are praying for the leader. May God return him to good health soon. Minister for Maritime Affairs Ali Haider Zaidi said that the Premier will recover soon and be back to work in a flash. The Pakistani Prime Minister was vaccinated during the inoculation process in the country, in which people over 60 years of age are receiving the vaccine dose. However, he had reportedly shown symptoms of COVID-19 on the same day that he was administered the first dose of the vaccine. After getting the first dose of the vaccine, Khan stressed that people across the country should follow the standard operating procedures to fight against the third wave of COVID-19 in the country, according to a statement from the Prime Minister's office. Pakistan officially launched its national COVID-19 immunization program across the country in early February, shortly after receiving the Chinese government-donated Sinopharm vaccine. On Wednesday, they sent the second consignment of vaccines after the vaccination drive was opened to senior citizens in the country. Pakistan President Arif Alvi and his wife Samaina Alvi also received their COVID-19 vaccine, thus with the Sinopharm vaccine in Islamabad. Pakistan on Thursday had imposed lockdowns in areas worst hit by the coronavirus as the country recorded a sharp increase in the number of positive cases. All markets, shopping malls, offices and restaurants will remain closed in the areas of smart lockdown. However, grocery stores, hospitals, pharmacies, bakeries, meat and milk shops will be allowed to remain open. According to the Johns Hopkins University's coronavirus tracker, Pakistan has so far reported 6,23,135 cases and 13,799 deaths.